Hola a todos y bienvenidos a mi canal. Mi nombre es Victoria y esto es The Spanish Express. This week's expression is de arriba un rayo. De arriba un rayo. Esto es un rayo. Y de arriba means that comes from above. But in the River Plate region, when we say something is de arriba, we mean it's free. María quería tirar esta silla y me preguntó si la quería. No me gusta demasiado, pero de arriba un rayo. In this example, Maria wanted to get rid of this chair and she offered it to me, and even though I didn't like it very much, I still took it because it was free. And even the lighting, it's welcome as long as it's free. Do you have any funny expressions in your language to refer to something free? Please let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button for more Spanish idioms and popular expressions. Hasta la próxima, chao chao!